Hey guys, what's going on? This is Louis over at Arizona EDC, and I'm bringing you that heat. So, it's time for a celebration, guys. We finally made it. We hit 1K on my subscribers. I'm extremely happy, extremely excited, and can't wait to do a little celebration. But first, we gotta do a pocket drop. Gotta check what's in these pockets. I'm just a little comfortable right now. Nothing too crazy. I have my pocket cross. This thing is wearing pretty nicely. It's when I take it out, it looks like it's still in there. That's always good when it looks like that. Yeah. So it's holding the shape well. This was just something I made messing around, having fun, and I ended up actually liking it. So very cool. I have my Zippo. Oh, it had something in there. Oh, there you go. Something in there. It has to have some fuel. I'll fill it up, and then I'll fill it up. But got my light, just a little coast light, and I'm carrying this new slip that I picked up from Wilson over at East Tennessee EDC, and he made that for me. He sent that over to me in a trade. We'll go over that later, but dang, look at that yellow just popping. That's some heat right there. The heat don't sleep over here. Check that out. So I'm carrying my more maker. And lastly, I made this messing around also. I posted it the other day, but here's the completed product. And I'm carrying my rust lock in there. Love this knife. Very cool. Got the good old woody woodpecker in there. So that's what's in my pockets. It's pretty cool messing around. It's like 3 different colors of paint on there. But thank you, Wilson, for that. And now for the celebration. I'm gonna show you the giveaway, what I plan on giving away. We're gonna have, from the looks of it, we're gonna have 5 winners, guys. So that's good. I was gonna do one big package, but you know what? From when I broke it down, I'd rather give away 5 different winners, you know? The first knife, we'll go from the lowest tier to the top tier on the giveaway. So the first thing I'm gonna give away is this knife I made a video on. It was donated to the channel. It's gonna be this this D2 steel. It's from Berry Sale. You can find this knife on Amazon. It's salty. But let's check it out. The first winner will get this. It's donated to the channel, and I'm gonna donate it to one of you guys. So it's not bad. Someone will love it regardless. So first winner will be in this. We'll put that back together in a little bit. The second winner will be getting this knife. Was donated to the channel from Jimmy Crow. It is something he worked on. He does a lot of custom jobs and knives. If you haven't heard of him, please look him up. You can look up a lot of other giveaways he's donated to the other channels, but he did this design on the outside of this Gerber. I believe this is called the squid, I believe. I can, correct me if I'm wrong, but he did this work on the handle. I'm trying to see what he did to it. I had a paper with it. Let me see if I can find it. One second. Sorry guys, I misplaced it, but this is the knife donated by Jimmy Crow. The second winner will receive this. Very cool. Look at that. So, we got that. Thank you, Jimmy. Appreciate the donation. And we'll go over it again, guys. So, you get that, the second winner. The third winner will also receive another knife donated from Jimmy Crow. And this is a Kershaw. He stonewashed the scales. He acid etched the blade with a sponge pattern. And this is a Kershaw. So let's open it up and see what he did. You can see that already it looks nice. He stonewashed that, I believe he said. Yeah, he stonewashed the scales, so check that out. He changed the color, and then he acid etched the blade. So check that out. That looks nice. Very cool. I want to keep this for myself, honestly. So thank you, Jimmy, for that again. Very cool. Very exciting. And now we're gonna move on to the fourth winner. I'm putting this away, sorry guys. The fourth winner will receive this knife right here, brand new. The only person that will win a different knife, if they are chosen for this knife, is Jim at Barlow Brigade, because I gave him this knife already, the same exact knife. But for everyone else, this is what you're winning. Brand new. The Civivi Brazen. Very cool, brand new. First time I've opened it right now to show you guys. Let's see. Civivis are nice. So the fourth winner will win this Civivi knife. Very exciting. I hope you guys like these items that I've chosen. Let me know in the comments if this is giveaways exciting or not. And for the grand prize winner for my 1,000 sub giveaway, we're gonna give away, the first thing is this sticker, Bigfoot sticker. We have a pack of field notes. We have this brand new Zippo with this brand new butane torch insert for the Zippo. Sorry, I'm trying to get back in there. Along with this Swiss Tech fixed blade. Right here. It's brand new. I think it's very cool. It has the fire starter on there also. In order to be included in this giveaway, you need to comment on this video that I'm posting right now, on this video in the comments. And the comment's gonna be that I guess you can put it, we'll put it in the hashtag. Hashtag heat don't sleep. We're gonna put that, hashtag heat don't sleep. And I'll make sure to mention it in the description. What needs to be. Maybe I won't put it in the description. I want you guys to be able to watch it all the way through to get to here. Heat don't sleep it. In all capitals, okay? When hashtag HEATDONTSLEEP. All caps. Hashtag heat don't sleep. So we're gonna have 5 winners. We have the giveaway knife that I got, the green one. We have the 2 Jimmy Crow knives. We have the Civivi and the Swiss Tech and this bundle right here. I hope you guys like it. Let me know in the comments if you guys are digging this, if I should change something. I'm going to, as far as one of the Jimmy Crow knives, I'm gonna change it up. I'm gonna do all 4 of them. All of these are gonna be in a drawing, except for one. It's gonna be one of the Jimmy Crow knives, and I'm gonna give it to one of my subscribers that I think that's always been there. I'm not gonna play it by chance and oh they gotta win. I'm gonna pick somebody that I see in my comments all the time. That's not a guy that makes YouTube videos, just a random person that has always supported me. And I'm not sure who it is. I'm gonna go through my videos. There's a couple names that keep popping up, and you know, I don't know them. I've never talked to them besides on YouTube and in the comments, and I appreciate them. So I'm gonna do it that way. I'm not gonna leave it up to luck. And I've decided to go ahead and choose one random subscriber in the comments and give them a prize. So 4 are gonna be by luck. 1 is gonna be by being authentic, genuine, supporting, you know, subscriber. So I think that's fair. You know, I don't think anyone would be upset about me doing that. So I forgot to mention that. I was thinking about it, and I think that's a great idea, you know. So everyone else, as far as the guys and the crew, you guys all can be included. I want one of you guys to win. Hopefully, you know, it's cool. It's not bad giveaway. I hope you guys back me when I say that it's a great idea to pick one of your subscribers by hand, because you know it's not fair to be just chance it by luck. I think it's good. I think it's fair. You know, one of the knives and 4 of the other ones will be random. So hey, now let's get it done. I appreciate every single one of you guys. I got to 1K. We'll give it to, we'll do the giveaway on, we'll say next Friday. So we'll give it to this Friday coming up. Today is Sunday. On Friday, we'll do the giveaway. Okay? I'm going to do a little live stream. And then, you know, you don't have to be there. You just gotta be able to comment on this. It's not fair that everyone doesn't get to watch the live streams either. So we'll do it that way. I'll draw the names on Friday. Let me know if Friday is good for you guys. Saturday is good too for me. So just let me know, guys. I'll put another notice out and with the final date of the giveaway. So I appreciate you guys. Here's giveaway number 1. Giveaway number 2. Giveaway number 3. And I'll go ahead and give this one to the random subscriber that I of my choice. Okay? And I'll leave this one. You know what? I'm gonna give this one away to the random subscriber of my choice. I like this one more. So I'm gonna choose who gets this. And I promise you, I'm not gonna pick someone I know. It's gonna be a random subscriber. This one's gonna be in the raffle, the random drawing. We got the Civivi right there. And lastly, this whole package with the sticker, the Bigfoot sticker, the 3-pack of field notes. We got a brand new Zippo and a brand new insert with the butane torch. And then this fixed blade right here. This is a Swiss Tech fixed blade. Okay, that's just dust. Oh, almost got me. But it's brand new. The only thing I swapped on it was this lanyard. It had a cheap little string lanyard and I put a brand new piece of leather on it before this video. So it's never been used. It's a little oiled up from being in the package, but this has never been touched, used, anything. So check it out. The steel is AUS 8, I believe. It's all a little oily, but it's brand new. Very cool. Hope you guys enjoy it. Watch the video, comment, heat don't sleep, and the hashtag heat don't sleep. Let me know your thoughts, guys. If you want to reach me, you can reach me at arizonaedc@gmail.com for anything. Hey, I'm making slips. If you're interested in that, let me know. If you just want to talk, if you want to say what's up, you can hit me up right there also. Until next time, until the next milestone, until the next giveaway, hey, I'm out, guys. I hope you guys enjoy this. I hope you guys think this is great. I put some thought into it, and I hope this is a good way to give it back to the community and the subscribers. So thank you, guys. Peace. Have a great day. Happy Sunday. I'm out.